Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, let us study what is axis, origin and quadrant. What is coordinate of point in a plane? How to plot a point in an xy plane? What is equation of line parallel to x-axis? Equation of line parallel to y-axis? And how to draw equation of line in xy coordinate, and let us solve examples of practice set 7.1 and 7.2 in the chapter coordinate geometry. Now this is the graph. In this graph, the horizontal line, this is the horizontal line, it is called as x-axis, where it is an integer number line, where on right hand side there are positive integers, on the left hand side there are negative integer. The vertical line is called as y-axis, where above the x-axis, above there are positive integer and below there are negative integer on the vertical line. The point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis, that is O, it is called as origin. It is called as origin. X and y-axis divide the plane into the four equal parts. Each part is called as quadrant. So x and y-axis divide the plane into four quadrants. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. The numbering of quadrant is done in anti-clockwise direction. First quadrant, where x coordinate and y coordinate, both x and y are positive. X is positive, y is also positive. Then in second quadrant, x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive. In third quadrant, x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is also negative. And in the fourth quadrant, x coordinate, these are the x coordinate which is positive, and y coordinate on y axis which are negative. Coordinate of origin are 0, 0. Coordinate of every point on x-axis, coordinate of every point on this y coordinate is 0 on x-axis and x coordinate is 0 on y-axis. Each point on the y-axis, if you consider each point, then its y coordinate is x-axis are called x coordinate and numbers on y-axis are called as y coordinate. Set 7.1. Question number 1. State in which quadrant or on which axis do the following points lie. So coordinates of points are given. So first point A, -3, 2. -3, x coordinate is negative and y is positive. So it lies in the x negative and y positive. It lies in the second quadrant. It lies in the second quadrant where x coordinate is positive and y is negative. Then second point B, -5 and -2. B, -5, -2, both negative. X coordinate as well as y coordinate, both are negative. Both coordinates are negative in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, x as well as y coordinates are negative. Fourth, K, 3.5 and 1.5. 3.5 positive, x coordinate is also positive, y coordinate is also positive. Both coordinates are positive in the first quadrant. Then D, 2, 10. Again, both are positive here. Both are positive in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, x coordinate as well as y coordinate are positive in the first quadrant. Then E, 37, 35. Again, both the coordinates are positive. Both the coordinates are positive in the first quadrant. Then f minus f15 and minus 18. X coordinate positive, y coordinate is negative in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, x coordinate is positive and y coordinate is negative. Then x is positive, y is negative. X positive in the first quadrant and y negative in the fourth quadrant. This point lies where x coordinate is negative, positive and y is negative. Then h 0 minus 5, 0, x coordinate is 0 on and y coordinate is minus 5. So x coordinate is 0 on y axis. So this point lie on y axis, 0 minus 5. And 12, 0, y coordinate is 0 on y axis, entire y axis, and n is x coordinate is 12. So this point lies on x axis. Then 0, 9, again x coordinate 0, y is 9. So this point lie on the y axis, n lies on y axis. 0, 2.5, this p also lies on y axis where x coordinate is 0 and y is 2.5, and q x minus 7 and y coordinate also minus 3, both are negative in the third quadrant. In third quadrant, both the coordinates are negative. Question number 2. In which quadrant are the following points? Number 1. First, whose both the coordinates are positive. Both x coordinate as well as y coordinates are positive in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, both x and y coordinates are positive. Then whose both coordinates are negative. X negative and y negative. X coordinate negative and y coordinate negative is the point is will lie in the third quadrant. Point lies in the third quadrant. Then whose x coordinate is positive and y coordinate is negative, the point will lie in the x positive, y negative in the fourth quadrant. X is positive and y is negative in the fourth quadrant. And last, whose x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive, the point will lie in the second quadrant. Point will lie in the second quadrant. Third example, draw the coordinate system on a plane, that is xy, x-axis and y-axis, and plot the following points on the plane x and y, that is Cartesian frame. So we have to plot the points. This is horizontal line x-axis and vertical line y-axis. So here we have to plot the following points. First point is L 2, 4. Both x also x coordinate is positive and y is also positive. So x positive on x-axis and y positive and y-axis. So point lies in the second quadrant, that is x L 2, 4. X coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 4. Then second point N, both are positive, 5 and 6. X is 5 on x-axis and y 6 on y-axis. So draw the perpendicular lines here. Take the perpendicular distance. So point here, point N lies in the first quadrant where x is positive, that is 5, and y is also positive 6. Now third point N minus 3 and minus 4. So both the points are negative. So point lies in the third quadrant. Both coordinates are negative. So x coordinate minus 3 on x-axis and y coordinate minus 4 on y-axis. So the point N lies in the third quadrant. This is the point. N is x is minus 3 and y is minus 4. Third point P 2, minus 3, where x coordinate is positive and y is negative. So x coordinate positive on x-axis y negative on y axis, that is minus 3. So point lies in the fourth quadrant, that is point P2 comma minus 3. Now point Q, that is 6 comma minus 5, x is positive and y is negative. So point lies in the fourth quadrant, x6 and y minus 5. So point lies in the fourth quadrant, Q 6 comma minus 5. Then point S is 7, 0. So point lies, x is positive, that is 7 and y is 0. So point lies on the x axis, S7 comma 0. And last point 0 comma 5. So x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 5 y axis. So point lies on the y axis, that is 0 comma 5. This is how we can plot the points on the coordinating system. Practice set 7.2. First example. On a graph paper, plot the points A30, B33 and C03. Join the points A, B and C. What is the figure form? So on XY plane, plot the following points A and B. X-axis horizontal line is x-axis and vertical line is y-axis. So in the XY plane on the graph paper, plot the points. First point is 3 comma 0, x is 3 and y is 0 on x-axis, point A 3 comma 0. Then point B 3, 3, both are positive. So point lies in the first quadrant, x is positive and y is also positive. So point lies in the first quadrant, B 3 comma 3. And C 0 comma 3, that is x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 3. So point lies on the y axis. So point C 0 comma 3 and point of intersection is origin O. So now join the points with the help of scale A, B, C. So here A, B, C joined. Now if you see observe the figure, all sides of this figure are 3 units. So all sides are equal. So the figure formed is quadrilateral. Here quadrilateral A, B, C, O. A, B, C, O is a square. All sides are equal. A, B, C, O is a square. Important note. The equation of line parallel to x-axis is in the form y is equal to b, where b is a y coordinate, and equation of line parallel to y-axis is in the form x is equal to a, where a is a y coordinate. Write the equation of line parallel to y-axis at a distance of 7 units from its left. So at a distance of 7 units from its left, we'll see x-axis and y-axis. Here at a distance of 7 units on the left of y-axis, so from x coordinate is minus 7. So equation of line parallel to y-axis at a distance of 7 units to the left is x is equal to minus 7. Now write the equation of third example. Write the equation of line parallel to x-axis at a distance of 5 units from it and below the x-axis. So equation, the line x-axis below x-axis, that is y is equal to at a distance of 5 units. So the line will go from 5, y equal to 5. So equation of the line is 5, y is equal to minus 5. Next is the point Q. Minus 3, minus 2 lies on the line parallel to y-axis. Write the equation of line and draw its graph. So equation of line and we have to draw the graph. So first point P, point Q, minus 3, minus 2 lies in the third quadrant. So in third quadrant, point minus 3, minus 2 is point Q, which lies in the third quadrant. Q is minus 3 minus 2, and line is parallel to, we have to draw the line parallel to y-axis. So line parallel to y-axis. So equation of this line parallel to y-axis is y is equal x is equal to minus 3 as it go from x coordinate. So equation of line parallel to y-axis is x is equal to minus 3. Number 5th, y-axis and line x is equal to minus 4 are parallel lines. What is the distance between them? Now y-axis, we see the y-axis and x is equal to minus 4, and the line is parallel to y-axis. This is the line, x is equal to minus 4. So the line x is equal to minus 4 is parallel to y-axis on its left side at a distance of 4 units from y-axis. Therefore distance between these parallel lines is 4 units. Question number 6. Which of the equation given below have the graph parallel to x-axis and which one have graph parallel to y-axis? Now first is x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 at x coordinate is 3. So x is equal to 3 is the equation of a line which is parallel to y, and y minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore y is equal to 2. Now y is equal to 2, in the y is equal to 2, y coordinate 2. So y is equal to 2, the line, equation of line is parallel to y equal to 2. This is the equation of line, y is equal to 2. This is the line which is parallel to x axis. Then third one, x plus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 6. So x is equal to minus 6. Parallel to x coordinate is minus 6, so which is parallel to y axis. This is the equation of line, x is equal to minus 6, which is parallel to y axis. 7th example, plot the points A 2 3, B 6 minus 1 and C 0 5 on the graph. If these points are collinear, then draw the line which includes them. Write the coordinates of points at which the line intersect x-axis and y-axis. So first, what are collinear points? If the points lies on one and only one line, then they are said to be collinear. So let us plot the points A, B, C on the graph. Now let us plot the point A, B, C on the graph. So point 8, 2, 3, x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 3. So A 2, 3, then B 6 minus 1, A 6 and B is y is minus 1, x is 6. So B 6 comma minus 1, y coordinate is negative, and C 0 comma 5, x is 0 and y is 5. So C 0 comma 5. Now draw the line passing through these 3 points. See that if line passes through all these 3 points, then points are collinear points. So here all 3 points A, B, C lies on one line. So the given points are collinear point. Now the line intersect x-axis at point 5 comma 0 and y-axis at point 0 comma. Therefore the answer is points A, B, C are collinear and the line intersect x-axis at point 5 comma 0 and the y-axis at point 0 comma 5. Example, draw the graph of following equations on the same coordinate system. Write the coordinates of their point of intersection. So first line, x plus y is equal to 0, therefore x plus 4 is equal to 0, therefore x is equal to 4 will come on right hand side, it will be minus 4 is a line parallel to y-axis. So x is equal to minus 4 is x on x coordinate, that is x is equal to minus 4 is equation of line, this line which is equal to, which is parallel to y-axis, parallel to y-axis. Now second, y minus 1 is equal to 0, so y equal to 1, y equal to 1 on y-axis. So a line y equal to 1 will be parallel to y is equal to 1 is parallel to x-axis. Now 2x plus 3 is equal to 0, therefore 2x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to minus 3 upon 2, which is equal to minus 1.5. 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. So x is equal to minus 1.5. X is equal to minus 1.5 is on left hand side. So minus 1.5, 1 minus 1, between minus 1 and minus 2. So minus 1.5. X is equal to minus 1.5 will be line which will be parallel to y-axis. Third, 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. Therefore, 3y is equal to 15 and y is equal to 15 upon 3. That is, y is equal to 3 1 the 3 5 is 50. So y is equal to 5 is a line parallel to x-axis. Y equal to 5 on y-axis. Y equal to 5. So draw a line parallel to x-axis. So this is line y is equal to 5, which is parallel to x-axis. Now the point of intersection, coordinates of point of intersection of this line x is equal to minus 4 and line y is equal to 5. The point of intersection is A, that is x coordinate is minus 4 and y is 5. Y coordinate is 5. B, the coordinates of this point are x is equal to minus 4 and y is equal to 1. Then point of intersection of this two lines is x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to plus 1. And fourth point, let the point be D. So where x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 5. So the answer is, the point of intersection of the lines are A minus 4 5, B minus 4 1, C minus 1 1 and D minus 1 5. Ninth example, draw the graph of following equations given below. First equation is x plus y equal to 2. Therefore, y is equal to, this x will come on right hand side, it will become minus 2. Minus x, 2 minus x, y equal to 2 minus x. Now we will here choose 4 values of x and we will find values of y. So we will choose x is equal to 0, 1, 2 and 3. When x is equal to 0, then 2 minus 0, y will be equal to 2. So point is 2 comma 0 comma 2. When x is equal to 1, so 2 minus 1, y is also 1. So 1 comma 1. If x is equal to 2, then 2 minus 2, y will be equal to 0. So point is 0 comma 2 comma 0. And if x is equal to 3, then 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So point will be 3 comma minus 1. Now plot these 3 points on the graph. So first point is 0 comma 2. So plot this point 0, x is 0, y is 2. So this is 0 comma 2. Then second point, x is 1, y is also 1, 1 comma 1. So x is 1, y is also 1. Third point, x is 2, y is 0, x2 and y 0, 2 comma 0. Then x is 3 and y is minus 1 on y axis. So 3 comma minus 1. Now draw the line x plus y is equal to 2, which will pass through all these 3 or 4 points. All these 4 points will lie on the line x plus y is equal to 2. So name the line x plus y is equal to 2. Now we will draw second line, which is 3x minus y is equal to 0. Therefore 3x is equal to plus y, that is y is equal to 3x. Now in the same manner, x coordinate, y coordinate and point x and y. We will choose the values of 3 values of x, 0, 1, 2 and minus 1. It's 3 values, and now put x is equal to 0. So x is 0, 3 into 0, 0, that is y is also 0. So first point is 0 comma 0. If x is equal to 1, 3 ones are 3, so y is equal to 3. So point is 1 comma 3. If x is equal to 2, 3 twos are 6, 6. So y is equal to 6, so point will be 2 comma 6. And if x is equal to minus 1, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, so point is minus 1 minus 3. Now plot these points of the equation 3x minus y equal to 0 on the graph. So the point, first point is 0, 0, 0. X is 0, y is, that is origin, 0 comma 0. Then second point, x is 1 and y is 3, so 1 comma 3. Third point, x is 2, y is 6, so x2 on x axis, y 6 on y axis, so it is 2 comma 6. And fourth point, x is minus 1 and y is minus 3, so minus 1 and y is minus 3, minus 1 comma minus 3. Now draw the line passing through all these 4 points. So this is the line 3x minus y is equal to 0. Now the third line, which is 2x, third line 2x plus y equal to 1. 2x plus y equal to 1 is the line where therefore y is equal to 1 minus 2x. 2x will come on right hand side, it will become minus 2x. Now in the same manner, x coordinate, y coordinate and x and y, a point we have to plot. So choose the value, 3 values of x. X is equal to 0, 1, 2 and 3. 3 values of x. Now find the corresponding 3 values of y. Now y is equal to 1 minus 2x. If x is equal to 0, 2 into 0 is 0. So 1 minus 0 is 1, y equal to 1. Then x is equal to 1. So 2 ones are 1, 2 ones are 2. 1 minus 2 is equal to y is minus 1. Then x is equal to 2. 2 twos are 4. So 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 3. And if x is equal to 3, 3 twos are 6. 1 minus 6 is minus 5. So y is minus 5. So points are 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 3 and 3 minus 5. Plot these points on the graph. So first point is 1, 0. X is 1, x is 0, y is 1. So 0, 1, 0, 1. Then second point is x is 1 and y is minus 1. x1 on x-axis, y minus 1 on y-axis, so 1 comma minus 1. This is 0 comma 1. Then 2 minus 3. X is 2, y is minus 3, 2 minus 3. And third point, x is 3 and y is minus 5, 3 comma minus 5. So after plotting the points, draw the line passing through all 4 points. All 4 points will lie on the one line. So this is the line 2x plus y, 2x plus y is equal to 1. This is how we can draw the equations of line on the graph.